Now this question is given in one of the previous GATE papers. Now we have to minimize this DFA. Always remember, first rule is if any state is not reachable from the initial state, you have to delete it. Is Q1 reachable? Yes, reachable. Is Q2 reachable? Yes, reachable. Is Q3 reachable? No, Q3 is not reachable. Therefore, delete Q3. Okay, so this is the diagram. Now for the resulting diagram, you just give the transition table. See, transition table is easy. If you can do it directly, yes, go ahead. But I am used to transition diagram. A, B. Q0 on A is Q1 and Q0 on B is Q0 itself and Q1. Q1 on A is Q2 and Q1 on B is Q1. Next Q2. Q2 on A is Q1 and Q2 on B is Q2. Okay, so what are the final states? Q1 and Q2, both are final states. Q1 and Q2, Q1 and Q2, both are final states. What is the first one? You have to write zero equivalence. So what is zero equivalence here? In this case, zero equivalence is nothing but set of final states and non-final states. Non-final state is Q0 and final states is Q1 and Q2. It is important. All the final states will be in one group and all the non-final states will be in the other group. Now what about one equivalent? You need not do anything with Q0, leave it. Now go to Q1 and Q2 and just check them if we can separate them or not. If you look at Q1 and Q2, they are in the same state. See, Q1 and Q2, they are going to Q1 and Q2, which are in the same group in the zero equivalent, and Q1 and Q2 are going to Q1 and Q2, which are in the same state or same group in the previous equivalent. Therefore, Q1 and Q2 cannot be separated. So if there are two equivalences adjacent which are same, then actually you can stop there. Even if you go to 2 equivalent, you will get the same. Even if you go to 3 equivalent, you will get the same, which means Q0 and Q2 has to be the same state. Now the answer looks like this. If you have to draw the transition diagram, Q0 on A and then Q1, Q2. These two will be in one state. Now Q0 on A is going to Q1, which is nothing but Q1, Q2, and Q0 on B is going to this one, right? And next one is Q1 on A is going to Q2, so on A or B it will be same. See, Q1 on A is going to Q2, Q1 on A is going to Q2, and Q1 on B is going to Q1, Q1 on B is going to Q1, Q2 on A is going to Q1, Q2 on A is going to Q1, and Q2 on B is going to Q2, same, right? So this is the final state also. What is this DFA? It is nothing but DFA which accepts set of all strings containing A. Even if you look at this, once I see any number of B's and if I see a and if I reach this side, whatever I see next, everything is accepted, isn't it? So once I see a, if I come this side, whatever I see next, everything is accepted. This is how we should be doing the minimization. So this is done.